Someone and too. Today I just want to talk about a misunderstanding. Let it be one a misunderstanding. Misunderstanding, guys, is very dangerous. Misunderstanding can cause people to fight, to have conflict. Misunderstanding can cause families to split apart. Misunderstanding, guys, can cause children to run away from homes. Misunderstanding can cause conflict at work. Misunderstanding can cause fights. It's very dangerous. And it's something that you need to fight. It's something that you need to be against. A misunderstanding. You better respond the next day than responding today thinking that you have understood me, but you never did. So you don't have to listen once when you listen to somebody. You have to listen twice or thrice before you can respond or take an action, because you might respond to something that you have never heard well. So it's very much important to know that now is the time for me to respond, because I have a clear understanding of what is happening. Someone will stand in front of you here, they speak about something, and because you have the lack of understanding, you misunderstand that person and it's the same thing with the word of God. You cannot conclude the word of God with just one sentence or one verse that you think was saying something else, where else you do not have the whole concept of what the word was saying. So misunderstanding has caused people to not to speak to each other. There are people who do not speak to each other just because they have misunderstood each other. It's not because they have fought, but they have misunderstood each other. You understand? Sometimes you will speak words of encouragement to somebody, and finding out at the later stage that those words were the words of despair. That person was not encouraged. Instead, he was humiliated according to him, because he misunderstood what you were saying. So it's very much important, guys, to be able to have the mindset of understanding and understanding each other. The understanding is very much important, guys. Even when someone is going through a difficult time, you need to understand that person, because once you misunderstand that person, then that person will never have peace with you for the rest of his life. If someone is happy, be with that person understanding, because sometimes you will celebrate the person in a wrong way that he or she misunderstood you. So this thing goes a very long way. It goes a very long way. So it's very much important that we understand each other. We get into each other's feet. We get into each other's shoes. You understand? We wear each other. In that way, we will be developing a good relationship, because that is what they say. They say listening is one of the key ingredients to develop a good relationship. If you have understood me very well, it means that you have listened to me very well. So it's very much important to listen, not once, not twice, but listen to me in order to have an understanding of what exactly did I mean by saying that particular thing that I said. Guys, let us live in peace with each other. Let us live in harmony with each other. Let us understand each other. You see, even people do not understand you, but try your best to understand them, because you are not doing it for them, but you are doing it for yourself. God bless you guys. Have a beautiful and a wonderful Sunday.